of the most important for me. But how are you guys doing?
We're good. We're good. How are you?
Good. I'm doing good. So, y'all that's tuned in, y'all already know who it is. It's your girl, Cindy D, and it's staying with the gang. And I have official Kings of Sound on here, which is so exciting. They are some young artists. So, tell everybody, for those who don't know you, who you guys are, what you guys do, and your passions, and how long you've been doing it.
Okay, I'm JoJo.
I'm MJ Brown.
I'm Isaiah L.
And we are the Kings of Sound. We've been doing music together for like 6 months now, and us two together have been doing music for like 2.5 years, huh?
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah. So are you guys all brothers?
No,
No.
We're not related at all.
Oh my gosh, you guys look like y'all could be. I thought all of you guys were brothers. That's so great. How old are each of you?
I'm 17.
I'm 17.
I'm 15.
Wow, you guys are so young. But it's so good that you guys are, getting into what you want to do. So what made you guys want to start doing music?
Well, what inspired me was my parents. My parents do music as well. So I was like 9, 10 years old, and I was like, I want to do that. I want to do music. I want to see people smile when I'm doing music on stage. So I was like, I'm decided to do music, and I went from there.
That's good.
Go ahead.
Well, go ahead. What were you saying?
What made you two kind of want to do music in the beginning?
Well, my whole life I've always like being the center of attention. Because I've always been dancing, and I would be in theater and be like the main actor in the plays, and I was like, well, you know who also gets a lot of attention? Musicians, artists. I was like, you know what, might as well give it a try, man.
So hence why you're in the center. So we all get it. What about you?
I heard Tupac, Rakim, LL Cool J, them rapping. I memorized all their raps, and then I wanted to write my own.
That's good. So whose idea was it for you guys to come together as a group?
Okay, so originally it was us two and another one of our friends, but he decided to venture into other endeavors. But originally it was just like, I don't know. We had made a song for our baseball team, and it was fun. And they were like, well, we don't sound trash. And we were like, we're just gonna keep on doing it, and we didn't know at that time that it was gonna turn into this. So yeah, really it wasn't like an idea. It was just something that just kind of happened.
I joined up out of nowhere. We had played baseball together over the summer. They would hear me freestyling in the dugout.
I'll be having to bind them.
All right, there we go.
There you are. I can see you so much better.
Hey.
That's good.
That is so great. So baseball, that's you guys' thing. All of you guys play baseball.
Mm-hmm.
It's every one of us.
Every one of us plays baseball.
So how are you guys doing with the whole quarantine and this time around? Would you guys be conditioning right now with your school?
Oh. We got in my garage. We have a whole gym set up, so there's no slacking being done.
That's good. No, that's really good.
Yes.
What I was saying was, I know during this time can be hard for you guys because you guys are in high school and these are supposed to be some of the highlight of of your years. And I know you said you're 15, you're in the middle, and are you guys going into your senior year?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I really hope y'all go back to school because I know when I was in high school, I definitely enjoyed, prom and homecomings and those memories you just can't get back. So I really hope soon y'all would be able to do that and go back to school. So with you guys as a group, what are some of the things that you have any inspired artists that you want to work with?
Who wants to go first?
If they're light skinned, I want to work with them. Like Chris Brown. Those are just the top of the list.
You think because they all like it? Is that why? I said picking them because they all light skinned.
You know, we got to stick together. No,
oh my God, that's right. You know, we got to stick together, y'all.
I don't know
That is
who
hilarious.
that you didn't already name.
Dude, I want to work with J. Cole, Kendrick, feature with Lil Nas X, so I'm sure you do a feature with us.
For real.
no kids yet.
You did a feature?
No, I'm saying Nas did a feature. Nas did a feature with Nas X, so, and like that'd be a possible one.
Yeah, I can see you guys. I think it'd be really cool if y'all did a group with Migos, because you know it's 3 of them and then it's 3 of y'all. I think that would be kind of dope. Yeah. Y'all do that together. So that would be cool. Some of the things that you're liking right now, being a group and starting out, because I know you said you guys only been doing it for 6 months. So what's some of the things that you like about it so far?
Well, when in the 6 months, like when we do, my favorite thing is just the fact that we're all like close.
Like downstairs in a basement somewhere.
No, upstairs.
In the world.
By a window.
So I don't know why this is like doing this, but we're gonna get through it. We're gonna push through. Okay. So it's good that so like you said, you guys are close. So it's good that you guys are doing it together. So what's some of the things that you've experienced so far that, you know, you're not liking about, you know, being in this music, you know, starting music, or I'm going to say, you know, being in the music industry, because it is a tough thing to do, especially as a group.
All there's anything I don't like.
Within the group, no. I mean, outside the group, that factors we can't control, like events having only 2 microphones.
Yeah.
And not being able to connect with our microphones, that kind of thing. But other than that, it's really been cool messing with these guys.
So
I think
new projects coming out soon?
We do.
Yes,
May 29th.
May 29th. Evolution 2020. Our first
10 days.
10 days.
10 days. That's so exciting. So y'all make sure y'all take a look out for that. 10 days, May 29th.
Being in the group. And I think personally,
what?
That's what we're talking about. So like not being in the group, but like what were the things like that we didn't like doing music right now?
Okay.
I think personally is like the comments that people make and that they don't realize that they're saying. Like when you're in a group, you have to have this mentality. Like, and just with playing sports, you have to have this mentality that we're a team. Like I can't go on stage and perform without him. He can't go on stage and perform without me. He can't go. We can't perform without each other. All depend on each other. So when people make side comments like it's like side comments.
It's like he should go solo, or like he should do music by himself because the other ones aren't good enough to compare with him. Like comments like that.
Yeah, comments like
Yeah.
people don't realize that they're making it when they say like oh, you was really doing your, like, let's say for example somebody came up to me and was like, oh, you was really doing your thing out there, just shook my hand. I'm like, yo, there's 3 of us. I couldn't do what I do without them. I wouldn't be able to go all out because if I go all out and I mess up, I know that these 2 right here are to back me up. So without them, I wouldn't be able to perform to my best ability. And the same thing with them. He can't go out there and perform without us. And it's just like people don't realize that it's 3 of us sometimes, and it's not one of us is the leader. We don't have a, what's the dude from New Edition? Ralph? What's his name?
Bobby
we don't have a Ralph or
Bobby.
Bobby.
No,
We don't have a Ralph or a Bobby or a Prodigy.
yeah, no, I totally get it. Because if you look throughout, like you said, there's New Edition, you have, you know, NSYNC, any group you could think of, New Edition, NSYNC, Destiny's Child. You know, when you're in a group, they're always going to try to pull someone who they feel like is, you know, better in the forefront. So that's really good that you guys stick together, you know, and, you know, stand your ground and do what you do, because it can be hard, because people will do that. And that's going to keep happening as you get bigger and bigger. They're always going to try to put somebody in the forefront. So that's really good that you guys stick together like that. So how did you guys like the experience of making your first album? So what was that like?
It was honestly.
Oh my gosh, he's like, it was so frustrating.
It was a little bit.
There was frustrating parts, but I'm just surprised how fast we just get things done.
Yeah, and it wasn't a long span of time. Like, I think honestly, it probably took us like 3 months album.
Yeah.
But those 3 months weren't really like 3 months. It was like a few weekends, just because school and sports like that, and just being able to record like a whole 12 track album in 3 months, just for us three being so busy. It's kind of like amazing. Like, now that I think about it, that we really recorded that real fast.
Imagine we didn't have school or baseball. It would have been done like
2 days.
2 days.
Right.
Yeah.
The way that we've written, honestly, could make 3-4 albums in a matter of a week if we didn't have anything else.
Wow.
And if I wrote my verses on top.
Yeah. You got the mixing and mastering, like so much that goes into it. So for you guys to be able to do that in such a short amount of time, like that's good. Y'all gonna be pumping out music like crazy. So I cannot wait to hear. So what should we expect for your album? Like, do you guys have like a theme that you're going for, or is it kind of a mixture of vibes on there?
I say it's very diverse.
Talking about you being light skinned and it won't go out.
All right. So yes, we have some more light skinned songs on the album.
We tap into our simpness.
Our simpness, our light skin behavior, but then there's also like stuff. There's also stuff that shows how lyrical we can be, how funny we can be.
Clowning a little bit.
Clowning. Love for our city, love for our culture, love for where we came from. So it's very diverse, and you get to see it from 3 point of views.
Yeah, you're gonna get something different every track. It's not gonna be like the same thing.
That's good. I cannot wait for it to come out. And where are you guys from?
I'm from San Antonio.
You from San Antonio? Bro, I keep forgetting you from there. They said it, but that throws me off. No, I'm from Missouri City.
Southwest Houston.
Okay, so you're like from Kansas City? You said Missouri City, so I'm thinking
Missouri City, Texas. From Texas, Missouri City, Texas.
I did not know there was a Missouri City, Texas. Wow.
Nobody knows Missouri City, Texas. Nobody knows.
How is it like the same?
You're not the first person to say that.
Mesquite, which is like near Dallas, like over there that way.
Yeah, somebody said Missouri City. Everybody think I was from Kansas City. I'm like, no, Missouri City, Texas, close to Houston.
Oh wow. So where are you guys at now? Because you guys are all from different places.
Well, right now, he stays in Missouri City. I stay in Richmond, and he stays in Bel Air. So we're all like spread around.
Fancy, huh? You up in Bel Air, ain't you?
Not Bel Air, but like right next to the Bel Air. I live on a street full of.
So how far is you from each other? It sounds like you guys live in 3 different cities.
I would say he lived the furthest out of both of
them. They stay like 10 minutes away. I'm a cool 45 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God. Is a commute, like, that's another factor that probably took us longer to record the album. Just me living so far. I wouldn't say
so you guys all didn't go to the same school.
No, we couldn't.
We went to
select baseball. Travel baseball. We ended up on the same team. Practices. No.
Is it like a city league, like a city baseball league?
Nah, it's like a travel. Do you know what AAU is for basketball?
Yeah. Mhm.
It's like
that for baseball.
Okay. Yep. Well, that's cool. Like, you live all of 45 minutes away. How do you even know them? Like, what is going on? I don't know. That's a commute, because I sure would not be driving 45 minutes all the time. Shout out to moms, because that's some gas. You need to be giving her some gas.
That is. But we take turns. Sometimes they come to my house. We go to his. We go to his.
Yeah.
I'm in my house. Like, y'all always came to my house. I'm like, man, come on. Can I leave the house one time, bro? Stop coming down here.
Right. Like, shoot. Like,
It's 'cause I gotta clean up every time they come. I gotta clean up. I'm like, I've known them for so long. What's the point of cleaning up my so long? What's the point of cleaning up my house when they come over? That makes no point. It's no point.
because you gotta look presentable. That's right, Mom. Make sure he clean up. You always gotta have your house looking.
It's just that he cleans it up and then we mess it up.
Exactly. And they leave the house dirty.
I don't even clean up my own house.
No. Oh my gosh. Stop messing up that hard work. He worked hard for that. Don't mess up his house. Y'all doing it because he dark skinned. It's because he dark skinned, ain't it?
Oh, that dark skin.
Why you did it, huh?
We gotta
He the lightest one in the group.
We gotta kick him out the group now.
Y'all look the same color to me, to be honest.
Man,
He's the lightest one in the group.
How my life's one of
You
them?
look lighter than him. What are you talking about?
You look darker than me.
I am like mixed milk chocolate.
You
are a caramel.
It don't even matter what I look the best.
That is.
Oh my goodness. So you guys that are tuning in, if you have any questions that you guys want to ask them, you guys can ask them. It's very open. You as an audience, if you have anything you want to ask them, don't be too crazy because they're young. Let's keep it PG up here. At least
Don't get us in trouble. My mama on watching this.
trouble. The moms is on here, okay? We don't want to get in trouble with moms. So who's the mom? Are all you guys moms like a momager group together? Like
Yeah, everybody, all the parents play their role. Like
Yeah.
I guess you could say my dad is like the trainer. Our dad, listen, my dad is like the trainer, like with the athlete stuff. Music. Our dads like are kind of like his mom is what we call the mom. She'll tell us like when we have events, what to do. Like tell us tonight. Hey,
I see his head going
hear you, yay!
We hear you.
I don't know. I said we gotta hurry up and fix this because he's trying to kill everybody on the couch.
No words. No words.
Okay, so like I was saying, y'all, before the sound went out, if y'all have any questions y'all want to ask them, definitely ask them some questions. So I know you guys say y'all get along because y'all a group, but who's the most annoying? I knew it.
Don't tell us we're alive. Don't tell us we're alive. You ready? It's all up to me. 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 I walked off. I ain't swear to nobody yet. He's all up to me. Who's the most annoying?
Yeah.
I'm mad, y'all both. Okay, you have to choose because
You gotta choose.
You gotta choose. Who's the most?
Everybody annoying. Gotta choose.
no, actually, I'm turning my ass into. Bro, do you see his Snapchat story?
Oh, good night.
You annoy me.
All right.
No, we're not talking about. We're not talking about sex. Like music related, son. We're not talking about that, bro.
It's him. And music related, then it's him.
How is it me?
The only annoying you.
You don't write your verse on time.
Exactly. Oh God.
You don't write your verse on time. You're the most annoying out the group.
I'm the first one done.
I freestyle.
He said he don't.
That's
Can't use that because some people you gotta be patient with people's creativity.
Exactly.
patience. This boy weeks. He doesn't. I get done whether it's 3 days before we go to the studio or whether we 3 days when we decide to do the song or 2 weeks beforehand. He will not write it until we're on the way to the studio.
I'll be doing this for 2 years. I'm doing 2 years and a half with this dude, right? He just came like 6 months ago. Look, we have a song. I sent him the song like 2 weeks ago, right? So I Josh, you wrote 2. Oh yeah, I wrote 2. He get here, he has nothing written. Okay, cool. We're not gonna see it for like a week now. So let's write your verse. So I expect him to be writing it. So the day the studio, the day we go to the studio, he gets in the car. I have not written anything yet. Jojo, what doing? He gets in the studio. First of all, we told him to write a 16. He writes an 8. now I said write a 16. He comes to the car with an 8. Son, no, wake up, man, no.
Well, maybe he's like, honestly, so can any of you freestyle? Like, who would you say is like a good freestyler out of the group?
Me.
Okay, well, son, I need you to start finishing your rhymes and writing them if you ain't gonna freestyle. Come on now.
Okay, but listen, here's my thing. Here's my thing. I work better when I'm under pressure.
Hey,
That's not how music should work.
No, I'm really work. I'm gonna explain it to you. Right? Like when I'm in school
Okay.
and I'm test, I'll sleep for 45 minutes, but that last 5 minutes, I'm gonna write every single answer down, and I'm gonna get a 90 at least.
yeah, you said
on
so
here. Try to stop. Come on,
Like,
I need
always,
you to do that.
I do my projects last minute.
Well, I ain't gonna lie, I do the same thing with my projects.
What's the difference between writing my verse last minute?
with me.
If I write my verse last minute and it still sound good, then nobody should complain.
Your best verse you did on time.
Nah, I still ain't do that one no time. I came in there with I ain't gonna lie, I wrote that in the studio where y'all was going. I recorded the hook and started writing. I said, okay, I'm done with the hook. Let me go ahead and write this verse real quick.
Oh my word. So,
Okay, so what's going out the group?
combine the procrastination spirit right now, because I'm gonna need y'all to get on the same page with Ryan.
Writing usually is either me or Isaiah as the first one done.
Say, man, now he's annoying now. He's the most annoying because they never call me by my stage name. It's always my real name. Like, I don't understand that. I
Why
call
do
him.
you call you by your stage name all the time?
Because his first name already has a nickname, and I've been used to that nickname before I was in the group.
I mean,
Called him Isaiah before.
I'm gonna just say this: if I'm your friend, I'm not calling you by your stage name 24/7. That ain't happening, bro.
So you changed your
home.
name to your name.
I changed my stage name to my name because I forgot to call myself my stage name. I'd be like, what's good? J-Dub, my bad.
Oh
Yo,
my
yo.
god. You guys are so fun. So we already know you are the freestyler. You write the fastest. Do you guys
Yes.
collaborate and make your own beats, or do you kind of use anyone else?
Oh, we use other people.
Not? You said
We
what?
use other people's beats right now.
Okay. So let me see, because I'm trying to figure out. So, who do you say writes better hooks? Do you guys all collaborate, like on your hooks, same hooks, or do you guys be like,
I swear to God, if y'all don't
bro, or
point at me,
it's like
if they don't point at me, I'm big both.
hello, y'all
Hello.
can hear me?
Okay.
Oh, okay, it's all getting saved on my IGTV, so they're able to look at the mess ups. They're gonna be able to go back, so it's okay. It's okay. So for y'all that's just tuning in, this is Official Kings of Sound. They are all friends, very young. You can tell who the youngest because he definitely in the middle. You definitely can tell. See what I mean? See what I mean?
Which has been, I'm the most mature.
That is cap.
I'm talking about.
Still cap. Still cap.
Oh my God, they're so funny.
You left me
Oh.
alive right now.
We are
Yeah.
lost.
They all have an album coming out on the 29th. This is your first album, correct?
First album together.
Very, very first album. So y'all make sure y'all go follow them, go support them. Definitely support them on their first album. I know y'all, we've been having connection issues this whole time, but y'all bear with us. You know, it's Tuesday. I think everybody on live today. It's Taco Tuesday. What are you doing? So are you the best dancer group? Y'all be TikToking?
Yes. Y'all see, I'm the best dancer. I am.
He's the
To be honest, the best dance group is Miles.
I know. Why did the phone fall? Look at his face. Don't do him like that.
He's the best dancer and he's the choreographer of the group.
I don't want to hear it now. Please.
So
Call
y'all,
on.
so y'all
Call on.
y'all gonna do like some NSYNC Backstreet Boys Rapping? No.
Sometimes. This depends on the song.
Sometimes. So what use? Oh my gosh! Don't do that ever again.
Well, who's the most annoying in the group? Me?
Chill.
It's okay. It's because you're the youngest. You have to be. You have to be.
They be hating on me because I look better than them.
That is also cap.
I just haven't had a haircut.
Miles, you look like a werewolf, bro.
It's quarantine.
Love it.
Don't do that.
You see the cut.
Oh my goodness. So between you guys on the end, who's the oldest? Whose birthday comes first?
Like 3 days, bro. I ain't in the
3 days.
I am 3 days older than this man.
And
When's your birthday?
2 years old. April 29th, May 1st.
And when's your birthday?
Fresh 17-year-olds.
Yeah, I see.
First. Oh, my bad.
July 19th. I'm a Cancer.
You are Cancer.
You guys are hot babies, spring and summer babies. I'm a fall baby. I don't do all that.
My hot boy. This summer, that's what it is.
It's not.
You guys are so funny.
When do y'all gonna stop hating on me?
Oh my goodness, you guys are so funny. Y'all definitely should do that in a music video or something, because that's hilarious. Why you look so
Probably will.
sad?
Wait,
We got some cook.
Like, why do you look?
cousin.
His girlfriend broke up with him.
Protect the baby.
Let me go now. It's gonna be okay, bro.
You
To
guys
this-
are nice. Well, it was so much fun having y'all on here. It was truly a treat. I cannot wait for your album to come out. Make sure you guys go listen to it May 29th. Oh, you just too cool for school, ain't you?
He put on the glass to hide his teeth. He started thinking about his ex.
Bro, it's so
Oh my
disrespectful.
Okay, anyway, y'all. They are such a treat. So y'all make sure y'all go follow them, Official King Sound. Their album comes out May 29th. Go listen to it on all musical platforms. Definitely go follow them on Instagram. Follow me at pretty_Cindy at _underrated TV. I thank y'all so much for having me on here. They are so goofy, y'all. They said he said, how can they get the album?
Oh, it's gonna be on iTunes, Apple.
It's the same.
That's the same thing. Same thing, bro.
I got
Come on, y'all.
it. You get on iTunes. SoundCloud. It's on everything.
So
Yeah.
make
That's
sure
on
y'all
everything.
are able to pre-save it on iTunes yet, or do they just wait till it comes out?
When it comes out. You can't pre-order on iTunes yet.
Okay, because I know some people do that, so I wanted to make sure. So the guy that's asking, guys, this is Opportunity Alex. He's so cool. He is a DJ. He's a DJ. He definitely does music, so he's a dope. So definitely y'all link up with him. Really, really, really dope.
Excuse me. Can I ask you something?
Me?
Yeah, can I ask you something?
Yeah, go ahead.
Why do we do it?
Why do you
DJ
do what?
Spaz knows. Why we do this? DJ Spaz knows.
Oh.
Should I let you know why we do this?
I feel like I'm being set up. What's going on?
Should I let you know why we do this?
Go ahead.
Come on. Let's tell her. We don't do it for
fun.
fun. We do it for
fun.
Yes, sir.
Best catchphrase of the century.
Oh my guys. Was that the
Yes.
We're at
Just the phone ring.
yes.
gosh, don't break the phone now. Oh my gosh, this was definitely a
I
treat.
know. I
It
gotta
was
text
so
my
good.
girlfriend's back.
Y'all could tell. Okay,
Is that on
You-
live? On live?
Lord, these guys are something else. But y'all go follow them. Look out for their music. If you guys missed this interview, it will be on my IGTV. It will also be on my YouTube channel. So this will definitely be on the YouTube channel. So anybody that you know, all your friends, you guys can go watch it. I thank you guys for being on today. So while we still got some sound, oh Lord, thank y'all for being here. I totally appreciate it. Like I said, it'll be on YouTube, so your friends can go watch it. Tell all your friends to go subscribe to my channel.
Yes, indeed.
They can go look you guys up. If you have other friends that do music or do anything else, and you as an audience, if you know people who have a talent, it doesn't music. They can have a clothing line. They can be a chef. They can be makeup artists, hair artists. I don't care what your craft is, what their gift is. You guys want to be featured on Underrated TV so you can showcase your gift. DM me. We will get you scheduled for an interview. So y'all definitely hit me up. So it was good. I know we had a lot of connection issues, but we pushed through it. It's okay. It is okay. So I thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all have a good night. Thank you so much for sharing with me, and then I will hit y'all up later, okay?
Okay.
Thank you for having us. Have a good night.
Bye.